How to create a transparent text effect in Canva. In this video, I will show you how to create transparent text effect in Canva. The first step is to open the Canva mobile application or the Canva website because the tutorial is the same for both Android and iOS devices. After that, tap on the plus icon here, and as you can see, you will see several other options appearing. These are suggestions for the canvas size and type you need. You scroll through the suggestions and look for one that meets your needs. For me, I will create a custom dimension. To that, tap on this option here named Custom Size. Next, you will see this page that has fields where you can enter the width and height sizes. I will use 1280 by 720 size for my canvas, as you can see from here. After that, tap on this option named Create New Design, and Canva will start getting your new canvas ready for you. Finally, this is the canvas. This is the page where we will create our design and edit it. There are two ways you can get materials for your design. One is by uploading them from your device. To do that, scroll through this menu below here, and after that, look for an option named Uploads. Here it is. Tap on it just like I have done. After that, go ahead and tap on the option named Upload Files, and this will take you to the files and folders in your device where you will be able to get the files you will use for the project. For this tutorial, I will use files that Canva provides. So, to do that, all you have to do is to tap on this option here named Elements. After that, search for the photo you want by typing its description here. Canva will bring up several suggestions that meet your description, as you can see here. Scroll through the description and look for one that meets your needs. I will use this photo here of a smiling woman. Tap on it and it will be loaded to the canvas just like you can see from here. After that, go ahead and start resizing it until you are satisfied. After that, we'll add text to the photo. To do that, tap on the plus icon here and this page will load. Under the page, there are several options on the menu. All you have to do is to look for an option named Text on the menu. As you can see from here, Canva will give you many different text templates that you can use. From the templates, choose any you like. I will go with this one here. After that, it is time for editing the text. All I need is this part of the text only, so I will delete the rest of the text. Next, while the text is selected, tap on the effects icon that appears at the bottom menu of the screen. Scroll through the different effects and tap this one here with the hollow insides. As you can see, the effect has been applied that easily. Go ahead and save the photo just like I'm doing by tapping on the Save option that appears here. Once the process is complete, while the text is selected, tap on the effects icon and once more tap on this effect that brings back the effect that was there initially. Finally, we are at the most important part of the tutorial. Tap on the plus icon that appears at the side here. You will see this page appearing where there are several templates for you to use. Ignore them and scroll through the menu at the bottom and tap on this option here named Uploads. After that, go ahead and tap here Upload Files. You will see a menu appearing. On the menu, tap on the other option named Photo Library. Go ahead and select the photo we had just downloaded as it appears here. As you can see, the photo has been loaded on the canvas. After that, tap on the effects icon on the menu while making sure this photo that we have uploaded from the gallery is selected. From the effects you will see here, tap on this one named Remove BG. This will remove the photo's background, just like you can see from here easily. Next, tap on this option here with the three dots. Several other options appear as you can see from here. From the options, tap on this one named Bring Forward. This will bring the image in front and on top of the main image, and that is what we want. Finally, go ahead and resize the image without the background, just like I'm doing, and make sure the text fits on top of the other text on the image and adjust it until you get a similar effect like mine here. That is how to create a transparent text effect in Canva.